Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Shiva Fosawil Adriano. I am 28 years old and I am from Upigamu, Isabela. I am married and I have one daughter who is 3 years old. I am a graduate of Dental Technology in the Medical Colleges of Northern Philippines, Tuguegarao City. I work as a dental assistant and dental technician in 1365th Dental Detachment for 4 years. My duties are to assist the doctor, cleaning the materials, cleaning the clinic, and also responsible in doing the dental appliance. I also have a local experience as a helper here in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve an American and Filipino couple who has 2 kids ages 5 and 7. My duties are taking care of the kids, cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and tutoring the kids. To my future employer, please hire me because I am a hardworking, obedient, trustworthy, and a God-fearing person. I promise to do my best in taking care of your house, of your children, and I also promise to prioritize my job. Thank you, sir, ma'am, and I am looking forward working with you soon. God bless.